Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get a QR code for the Duo Mobile using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Duo Mobile app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on three line at the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on Settings. Once you are in the settings, tap on Connect a new phone. A QR code will appear on your screen. This QR code is what connects your account to Duo Mobile app. Next, switch to Duo Mobile app on your new iPhone. Tap Get Started, then tap Use a QR code. Your camera will automatically open. Go into camera, tap the QR code on your screen. Make sure the code fits inside the square box. Once it scans, Duo Mobile will automatically add your account. This only takes a few seconds, and that's it. That's how to get a QR code on Duo Mobile using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.